Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited about making this channel. It's gonna kind of be about fitness and living a healthy lifestyle and eating super clean and my workouts and kind of what I eat and stuff. I just went to Mexico. There was no gym, I couldn't work out there, so I did some workouts on the beach, and I thought, obviously I'm not in Mexico right now, but I thought I would film some for you guys and do like 5 healthy, easy snacks that fill you up and that you can pretty much get anywhere, and that I ate a ton in Mexico because there wasn't really many healthy food options or options that I could eat. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Off to the beach we go. If I can put my sunglasses on. Oh god.
Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of this. To disagree. Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree?
So I just finished that high intensity short workout, and I'm gonna go grab a smoothie and head to the gym for a run. And then I'll go home and show you guys some of my favorite snacks.
Some of them wanna be used by you. Some of them wanna abuse you. Some of them want to be you.
Whenever I'm hungry, this is my go-to snack. It's my fruit and nut mix. It has almonds, dried cranberries with no sweetener, coconut flakes with no added sweetener, and walnuts. It's high in healthy fats, so it keeps you full for a super long time, and it is also high in omega-3s. My second favorite snack are these bars. I'm in love with them. There's only honey in the simple square bar and dates sweetening the second bar. They're super good and nutritious and filling, and they only have 5 or 6 ingredients, which is great. I also store these bars everywhere I go. They're super easy to bring anywhere you are. I love fruit, so my go-to third snack is a big smoothie. This smoothie has blueberries, which is high in antioxidants, great for detoxifying the body, mangoes, strawberries, and peaches. You just add some water in there, blend it all up, and you've got a great healthy breakfast. This smoothie is also high in fiber, which is great for your body in the morning to get it moving and flowing, and also really high in vitamin C. I love carrying chia seeds around with me because you can add them to smoothies and it gives it even more fiber, and it's a richer feel to the smoothies, which keeps you fuller for longer. Almond butter and peanut butter are great added with the fourth and fifth snack. Apples are a great snack. They keep you full. They also contain something in them called pectin, which protects actually against certain cancers. They also, when paired with the almond butter or peanut butter that are high in protein, is a great filling snack. Bananas are a great pre-workout or post-workout because they're high in simple carbs, which gives you energy, and they're also high in potassium. I eat bananas after my workouts because they contain potassium and they're really good at relaxing your muscles and keeping your body rejuvenated. They're also high in antioxidants, which keep your body detoxified. I try to keep my diet big on fibers and healthy fats because those are both things that fill me up and don't make me bloated and are also nutritious and good for my body. These snacks are super easy to make and they keep you energized throughout the day when you're on the go. Welcome back. You guys have made it through the video. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone enjoyed that little beach workout I did and the healthy snacks I showed. I'm gonna post videos every week or so about other cool stuff. So if you guys want to subscribe, that'd be kind of cool to support me. Yeah. Okay. Bye, beauties.